Hello my friends, and welcome to another unboxing video. I'm checking out this Ultra Grind Burr Coffee Grinder. Ultra Grind Flat. Okay, features 1 cup, setting, select your preferred cup, and it'll automatically shut off when you're finishing its work. Grind it your way, turn the dial to how fine of a grind you want. Removable grinding burr, easy to clean, dual safety lock, all kinds of good stuff. So if you're into grinding your own coffee beans, it could definitely make a difference than just getting pre-ground stuff at home. Troubleshooting has a little thing on the top there. Probably not going to need that. Our instructions, and here we go. On top, we got our little cup measure, and that comes with some nice little bristles on there if we need to clean out our coffee thing, and a little hole in the handle if you want to hang it somewhere. It's kind of handy. Okay, so here we go. Let's see if I can pop it out of the box here and not drop it on the floor. There's that. Okay, smells like styrofoam. Kind of a pretty cool looking device here actually. So we have the grinding wheel there. Might have to actually look at the instructions to see how to pull that thing out of there. Perhaps it just comes out. No, this is BPA free as well, so that's nice. Here we have our dial here, so we can see drip coffee, espresso, French press. So the finer grains for different kinds of coffees there. On the side it has a little troubleshooting thing on there for instructions. That's kind of nice, tells you how to clean it and everything like that. Pretty good sized bin here for the coffee, and that just kind of shoots it out of this little thing right there. On the top we have our power button, and also you can just set it for how many cups you want. So that's really nice. Just grind it for the specific cup that you want. Say that'll keep your beans or keep your stuff a lot fresher too. So if you get if you grind your beans and then you let it sit for a while, it kind of defeats the purpose if you grind a whole bunch in advance. So if this, you just want, hey, I want 2 cups of coffee real quick, just go ahead and bam, switch this over to 2, hit the power button, and you're good to go. Okay, so this just twists to unlock, just like that, and you're unlocked. And then it also has this here, instructions on there. Rotate this one way or the other to unlock. All right, I'm gonna go put some coffee beans in here and let's try it out. All right, let's get some beans in the hopper. That smells good. Put our little lid on there. And then we want just regular drip coffee. So just set for drip coffee on our thing. And let's make 4 cups of coffee. And then press the power button. All right, oh my goodness. I didn't have this little lid part on. So coffee was going everywhere. Yeah, must have this lid part on there. I was like, what's going on? There's this gap right here, and someone had taken the lid off when I wasn't last night. So I was gonna make this video today. And no lid. So I'm gonna try this again with the lid on. All right, set for 4 cups and drip coffee. Now let's see, press the button. Okay, so I'm going to trust this thing. I'm going to try to make 4 cups of coffee. Okay, know this looks like it's going to be pretty strong. Added 4 cups of water. See how it turns out here. All right, well, it did look like it was too many grounds, but it was like, it's like the perfect cup of coffee. Just added some oat milk in there, and it's actually really delicious. Thanks for watching, everybody.